Rusky Ed here with a lesson about a plant often referred to as locoweed. More on that following the intro song. But in the meantime, acquaint yourself with the vocabulary words for this lesson.
If you're stressed from too much study or if you're feeling blue, Rusky Ed is always ready with a funny joke or two.
The proper name for this plant is Astragalus or Astragal in Russian. Common names used for this plant are locoweed and milkvetch or молочница in Russian. The Red Book or Krasnaya Kniga in Russian lists 10 species as follows. Aryйскийy was discovered in Tajikistan, and people of that region are considered descendants of Persians, also known as Iranians, also known as Aryans in the original sense of the term, and hence the species name for this plant. BAKINSKIY probably is a reference to Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan. Bobrova, although it sounds like it might have something to do with beavers, since the Russian word for beaver is bobr, it is likely the case that this species was named in honor of a Russian botanist named Bobrov. Belovoy means something like white felt. Kungruski is named after a town in the Ural Mountains. Alhonsky refers to Alkin Island, the largest island in Lake Baikal. Strani means strange, but the Latin species name for this plant is Paradoxus, and so maybe this plant is considered somewhat of a paradox. Krasnavati meaning reddish or somewhat red from the Latin species name Rubellus. Rubtsova named in honor of a Russian geobotanist by the name of Nikolai Rubtsov. And finally we have Shetinisty, which means rough or bristly. In the last lesson, we discussed 5 categories of information supplied for the entries in the Red Book. And here we will list 6 more for a total of 11. The last 6 categories are as follows. Численность и тенденция ее изменения means number and tendency of its change. Основная лимитирующая факторы means main limiting factors. Особенности биологии means biological features. Культивирование means cultivation. Принятая меры охраны means security measures taken or what has been done to protect the plant. And finally, необходимая меры охраны means required security measures. Astragalus is a member of the pea family or Bobrovaya in Russian, and bobovy is the Russian word for bean or legume, which makes perfect sense. And speaking of sense, here's a pithy observation to close out this lesson. Здравый смысл – это цветок, который растет не в саду каждого. Which means common sense is a flower which does not grow in everyone's garden. And that's it for this lesson. Rusky Ed, signing out now. Das Vidanya!